Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Can you see CATIA screen?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our first day, 7 days of CAD-VERCITY. So we are going to start first. We'll go through a basic intro. What is CATIA? Which workbench we are going to learn? Yeah. So once you open CATIA, you will get this window. Okay. So first step will be File, New. Here you will open Part. So here you can type PART, part. This one. Press OK. So for 7 days of CAD-VERCITY, we will not go through each point. Just note some point that we will always tick create a geometrical set. Okay. After 7 days, if you are continuing, we will go through all basics. So why we are selecting this box, why we are not selecting this one. Okay. So we will tick create a geometrical set. Don't tick over here. Enable hybrid design. We will tick this one. Here you can write the name day 1. Okay. Let's say day 2. Keep it day 1. So you will receive 6 file. Day underscore 1. Okay. What will the rule for naming? Everything should be in caps. Yeah. Capital letter. And instead of space, you will use underscore. Clear? Yes. So click on OK. This will be your first window. Yeah. Sir, how to check whether means in which workbench we are working? Okay, so here you will find the icon. Once you hover your mouse over here, you will get the workbench name. What is the workbench name? Please reply very quickly so that we will proceed.
Part design.
Part design.
Okay, so we are in part design. Here you can see some commands which are from part design. You will not get this command in surfacing. You will not get this command in product design. Okay, so how it is the structure? Basically, we have we will learn one, two, three, four workbench. Sketching, part design, GSD. What is GSD?
Generative
Generative
set
set
design.
design.
Awesome. Yeah, the fourth one will be assembly design. Okay. Sketching workbench will be common for both part design and surfacing. Okay. This workbench will be common for both. After assembly design, we will go for kinematics. What is kinematics?
Motion.
Motions. Okay. Kin. Okay. So in 7 days, we will not go through each workbench. It is not possible. We will discuss about each workbench. We will provide you some basic knowledge. Yeah. When we will use GSD, when we will use part modeling or part design, where we will use kinematics and assembly design. We will try to finish sketching. Yeah. Then we will move to part design. So these are the workbench which we are going to learn and what is necessary for project management or to work on any project with any OEMs. Okay, take the screenshot. This is for your reference. Those who are not joined this group, please join. Please mute. If you are having any background noise, please mute. Thank you. Okay, so this will be your part modeling or part design workbench. What is this? Your tree title. These are the planes, by default planes. Okay, let's check the upper tabs. Suppose I'm closing these commands. Okay, then I want this command, and here you can see I have closed all command. By mistake I have closed all command. So how to get all command in the same position, means how to reset all command? Right click on the toolbar. This is a toolbar, right side and bottom side. You can right click on any one. Right click, go down, last second option, customize. Just a minute. Yeah, here you will find commands, the toolbars. Sorry, in toolbars, click on restore all content. Okay, restore all positions. Okay, got it? All commands over here. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we don't need this tool. Close it. Okay, then. Second option. Sir, how to increase the size of access systems and plane? Go to tool, option. Here you will find, suppose in your display or let's say screen, the tree will be something like this. Sir, it is not readable. So how to increase the size of your tree? Press the control and scroll the mouse button. Scroll the wheel of mouse upside. Hold the control button and scroll. In part structure, infrastructure, in display, you will get the size, access system display size. Make it 25. Okay, so that you will get this type of size, this size of access system. Okay. Second thing, how to set shortcuts. Yes, suppose I want to hide. See what I'm doing, nothing. I'm just selecting hide, selecting hide, selecting hide. So I am using shortcut from keyboard. How to use it? Right click, again, customize. Here you will find commands. In left side window, this small window, you will go to all command, the last one. Can you see this all command? So here you will find hide show button. How to find? Click over here and press H from keyboard. So you are in section H. This is the hide show button command. So I want to set a shortcut for hide show. Select this one, show property. In accelerator, you have to type space. In your case, it will be blank. SPACE. Okay. What is space? Means space bar of your keyboard. So for hide show, I have set space bar shortcut key. Close it. Now select the plane, space bar, show. Select the plane, space bar, show. Again, space bar. Same for hide. 1 hide, 2 hide, 3 hide. Any doubt? Any doubt? No?
No, sir. No.
Simple? Okay. Again, sir, I want to save my file or I want to check for another shortcuts. So here you can you see underline a dash below alphabet? Start, file, edit, view, insert, tool, window, help. Can you see a dash? Tell me where is a dash in tools? Where is the dash?
T.
T. So what will be the shortcut? Alt T, Alter T from keyboard. Now I want to enter in option command. Where is the option? Please mute. What is the shortcut for option? Where is the option? This one. Which alphabet I will press from keyboard?
Oh,
O. See, I am in option, tool option. So this will be the shortcut. Again, insert. For insert, what will be the shortcut? Here you can see file, edit, view, insert, tool, window, H. Help. For insert, what will be the shortcut?
Alt I.
Alt I, Alt I. Okay. So here you will find body and geometrical set. Yeah. Sir, then what is the difference between body and geometrical set? Can anyone explain what is the difference between geometrical set and bodies?
Geometry set is considered sketch drawing.
Sorry, please repeat.
Geometrical set is considered for only sketch, the line or somebody else use.
Okay.
Part
Uh,
for that bodies we make the components,
okay.
the of the components,
Okay.
features.
Okay. Uh, other, anyone knows what is geometrical set and bodies? Okay, no issue. See, as we mentioned, we are going to do sketching, part modeling, and GSD. Okay. So we have bodies, we have geometrical set. Yeah. So okay. So if you are using any command from part modeling workbench, it will go inside body. Okay. And if you are using any command from GSD, it will go inside geometrical set. Clear? What is GSD? What is GSD?
Generative shape design.
Generative shape design.
Generative shape design means surfacing. Yes.
Surface. Yes,
So
yes, surface.
will be inside geometrical set. You will not get any surface inside body. And if you are using any command from part design, it will be inside body only, not inside geometrical set. Clear? Any doubt? Simple. Don't think about assembly design and kinematics for now. Okay, so what about the sketch? Sketch, this can be inside body, this can be inside geometrical set, no issue. Clear? Any doubt? Yes, no, shall we proceed quickly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We have to learn so many things within 6 days. Yeah, in 6 days. Okay, so I will delete this one for now. Okay, no issue. So in your case, the window will be something like this, completely blank. Okay, so what will be the first step? The first step will be you will create a point. Where you will find the point command? Pull out this all command. Pull out. How to pull out? Here you will find a small dash.
Drag and drag.
Yeah, hold it and pull it out. So here I got a point command. Yes, activate the point command and press OK. What will the point type? Coordinate x0, y0, z0. Press OK. On just OK. Got it? A point. See. Okay. You can ask one question, sir. You have used point from part modeling. It is going inside geometrical set. But just now, before 2 minutes, you told that only surfacing command will go inside geometrical set. And the part modeling command will go inside body. See, this is a common tool. Same as sketching, this is a common tool in part modeling and GSD. Okay, this is a common tool. Now it is vertical. How to make it horizontal? Hold the shift button, hold the tool, then hold the shift button and release it. Okay, it will be horizontal. Second, see, these are the golden step. Every day, for every part, for every feature, you have to repeat these same steps. Take a point, then next step, axis system on this point. Where is the point? This one, point 2. Press OK. Before pressing OK, here you can see standard point 2 we have given as an input. Don't select anything. Your axis system should be right-handed axis system. We will discuss this later. So why right-handed, why not left-handed and all. Press OK. Just press OK. Done. Any doubt till this point? Shall we proceed?
Why we are creating the access system?
You will learn this point later. Okay.
Okay, okay. Because
Uh,
already standard
Same like a
plane is
plane.
available.
XY
Why we are
plane.
creating the digital?
sorry, could you please repeat why we are?
In the screen already XY Z plane
Yeah.
available. Why
Okay.
we are creating extra access?
You will get this answer within 45 minutes. Okay.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Yeah. I will not give the answer. Automatically, you will get the ideas of why we are taking the access system. Okay. Not this plane. See, tell me what is the shortcut for hide and show?
Space.
Select the access system spacebar. Now, what is your good name?
My name Ramanathan.
Sorry,
Ramanathan.
Ramanatham.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. See, show. These are the planes. Okay. Let me tell you how to use the mouse. Yeah. For now, I will hide this. Okay. Just tell me one question, one answer. Here you can see three planes. Yes.
Yes.
XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane. Is there any origin? Can you see any origin? A
No,
point, a reference
no,
point?
no.
No. So can you decide where should be the sketch? Can you decide? You will need some reference. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So for now, I will hide this one. I will show a new point and the access system. Yes. By default, if you are adding any access system, if you are adding 10 to 20 access system, any number of access system, it will go by default inside access system. Okay. Here you will find all access systems below this.
Okay.
Okay. So how to use mouse? See, first click means left side, left button click. It is for selection. Click, click, click. Second button means to find out some properties or submenu, something like this. Right click on anything. See, right click. What is this? Left side. This is our tree where you will find all history of our design. This is the history. Right click again. Right click on geometry, geometrical set. You'll find out some sub properties. You can delete it, you can update it, you can replace this. Yeah. Right click on the body, again same. You can go into property, you can hide show. See, right click on the access system, hide. Again right click on access system from tree, show. Okay. First button to select, second button to go into sub properties, something like this, to get more option related to this atom. Middle click, just only middle click. This is pan. What is pan? You can hold the object and you can move it, something like this. Release it, hold it, release it. How to hold? With the help of middle button. Middle button means wheel of your mouse, scroll. You have to click that scroll. Don't release your finger or button, the scroll, and move it. Something like this. Okay. Then, sir, how to rotate? Hold the middle button, press and hold the middle button and hold the right button. You will get this circle. Don't release any button of your mouse and rotate it like this. Don't use keyboard, okay? Many of you will use keyboard. Don't use keyboard. If you want to increase your speed in CATIA, don't use keyboard. It will take at least 3 to 4 hours to get hand on these commands. Yeah. Hold the now tell me how to rotate the axis system, how you can rotate the object quickly. How to
Hold the
rotate?
middle
Yeah.
button
Hold middle button.
and right
Hold.
button
Yeah.
also.
Then
Then we need to
Then
rotate
right
the
click
mouse without any
simultaneously.
hold the
keyboard.
middle button, hold the right button. Hold both buttons. Okay. And then rotate.
Yes, sir.
Don't release any button like this. Simple. Okay. Sir, how to zoom? Hold the middle button and just click right button one time only. Click. Now move your mouse forward, move your mouse backward. This will zoom in. Forward means zoom in, backward is zoom out. Got it? Simple. You can't zoom axis system and point. You can zoom only surface, 3D, sketches, curve, and plane. Simple. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm
Suppose
fine.
suppose I want this axis system in this position. How to move it? I want axis system over here. How to move from this point to this point?
Move the point.
How? No,
We
I will
change the
show
point.
with the help of mouse. See, there is so much background noise from your side.
Oh, mouse.
Please mute. How to use pan command with the help of mouse? Pan command, pan. What is
By
pan?
pressing middle button.
By pressing only middle button. Yeah, hold the middle button. Something like this. Hold the middle button. Bring over here. How to rotate? Quickly. How to rotate?
Pressing middle button and right right button of the mouse.
Yeah. Means we will hold both button. Okay. Middle and right. Then rotate. Something like this. And how to zoom in, zoom out? Quickly.
Holding middle button and pressing right button and moving mouse inward and outward.
Yeah.
Zoom in, zoom
Hold the
out.
middle button and just click right button one time. Click it. Don't hold the right button. Okay. Just click and release. But don't release the middle button. Move your mouse forward. Move your mouse backward. Forward, zoom in. Backward, zoom out. Done. Simple. That's it. Okay. Shall we proceed? Yeah. Or any
Yes,
doubt?
yes.
Okay. So here you will find sketch. I will pull it like this. I will click on this black arrow and I will again pull this one. Yeah. So we have two type of sketches. First one is a simple sketch. Second one is a position sketch. You will find the same command in GSD. You will find the same command in part design. Now we are in which workbench?
Part model.
Part
Yeah,
design.
part design. Okay, part modeling or part design. Same thing. Okay. So this is a simple sketch. This is a position sketch. In another institute, no one will tell you which sketch you have to use while working on projects. They will teach you all commands. They will teach you each and every command of CATIA. We are not going to learn each and every command of CATIA. We are going to learn those commands, those which are very useful, and with the help of those commands, we can work on project, any project. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First we will learn position command, position sketch. Then we will learn sketch. Then you will answer me why we are using position command and why we are not using sketch command. Okay. Within next 10 minutes. Position sketch. Okay. Once you click on position sketch, here in type you will get position. Yeah. I will move this axis system a little bit over here. Position. Now tell me what is this? X, Y, Y, Z, Z, Y. What is this?
I think, sir, it is axis
Yeah, this is a complete axis
and
system.
planes.
Yeah,
coordinate system.
these are planes. These are planes. Okay. These are planes. We will use these planes for sketching. Okay. Suppose I want to draw a square on XY plane. How will be the square? Something like this. Agree? Yes.
Yeah.
Suppose I want to draw a square in XZ plane. It will be something like this. Suppose I want to draw, suppose I want a square on YZ plane. It will be something like this. Yes, agree?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So you should able to decide, sir, on which plane should I draw this sketch? Sir, can I draw on Y side? Can I draw on Z side? Okay. Tell me, what is the name for this plane? White plane, white sketch plane,
XY plane.
XY plane. The second name for XY plane, what is the second name?
Yeah. Side view.
No,
Right side view.
no.
That
See,
plane.
see.
XY plane.
Yeah, XY plane is correct.
Z plane.
Yeah, yeah. But this is XY plane. What is the second name for it? See, while working on any
Yeah.
project, while working
It's a
on,
front view.
sorry. Oh, yeah, okay. Front
It's
view, side
a
view, top
front view.
view. It's okay. Yeah. But while working on project, if you are working within a team or with a senior guy, what he will suggest you? Okay, Ramesh, draw this sketch on Z plane. Then you will think, sir, what is Z plane? Where is the Z plane? Can you see this? Z?
It's called
Z plane means XY plane. Now tell me the plane name for the green sketch.
X plane.
X plane. Or the second name?
ZY plane.
Yes, YZ plane. Yes? Agree, yes or no?
It's the
What is the
Yes,
plane
sir.
name for yellow sketch?
Y plane.
Y plane. Second name?
XZ plane.
Awesome. Any doubt?
No, sir.
For you, we will put something like this. Z, sorry, X, Y. Okay. Now, which sketch we are using? Simple sketch or position sketch right now? Which is activated?
Position switch.
Position sketch. Okay. So in position sketch, you will find type position and sliding. We will never use sliding. We will use position sketch. Okay. What is reference? In reference, you have to select a plane on which plane you want to draw a sketch. For now, I will select top plane. Which is the top plane?
Yeah. Y plane.
Y plane means this one, XZ plane.
Yeah.
Okay. Once you select the plane, I have selected this plane. You can see V and H. What is this V and H?
Horizontal and vertical.
Awesome. Yeah. What is our golden rule? What is CAD-VERCITY's golden rule? On right side, we will keep H. On top side, we will keep V. Note it down. This is our golden rule. Always we will keep H on right side, V on top side. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So suppose I want to draw a rectangle something like this, or square something like this. How should be the orientation? I want to draw from top view. How should be the orientation of V and H? Something like this? Yes, no? This will
Yeah.
be H. This will be V. Not getting? See, what I will do, here is H. I will reverse it. So this will be my H. Can you see this? Reverse H, reverse V. Yes, no? See this one. Reverse H, reverse V, and swap. What is swap? To swap both V and H. Okay. So I will reverse H. On first day you will not get, means everyone will not get, so what are you doing? But after 15-10 minutes, you will get idea what we are doing. Again, I will reverse V. So this will be my V. This will be my H. See what I will do. I will just press on OK. Then you will get idea what we are discussing. Yeah. Again, I have selected this plane. What we discuss? We will reverse H. Yes. Reverse H. Again, we will reverse V. Reverse V. Now, see this. I am rotating my axis system. Now tell me, is it correct or wrong? On right side, it is H, top side V, and I want to draw a square or rectangle over here. Yes?
Yes, sir.
See, press
Yes, sir.
OK, press OK. These are some commands. How to make this toolbar horizontal?
Shift plus
Shift.
Yeah,
select the
yeah,
box column.
yes. Hold the toolbar with the help of mouse. Hold it. Don't release, hold it and press the shift button and release your mouse button. This will be horizontal. See, what was our rule? On right side, it will be H, top side will be V. Now activate, this is the rectangular toolbar. We are in sketching workbench. Here you can see the workbench is changed. Now we are in sketching. Yeah, sketcher. We are not in part modeling. We are in sketching workbench. And what is this button? To exit sketching workbench, so that we will shift to part modeling. Once you're done with the sketching, you will click on this button, exit workbench. So this is a tool. We will learn all tools, okay, from sketching. But for now, you have to use rectangle sketch. So I will draw a rectangle over here. Done. Now, once I done with sketching, how to exit the workbench? How to exit the workbench?
There's a second option.
Second option on top right.
Yeah. Top right corner. Exit workbench.
Click. Okay. Now we are in top view, but I want isometric view. Everyone knows isometric view. I've done engineering
Yes.
drawing, isometric view. So here is the button, this box. Click on this box. This is isometric view. I think we have selected wrong plane. Delete. Select the sketch, delete. On which plane I have drawn the sketch? Tell me. By mistake.
Right side. Right.
Explain.
Not explain. On which plane I have drawn the sketch?
Y plane.
Y plane. XZ plane. But I want to draw in top plane. I will delete this. Enter. Again, same position sketch. In position sketch reference, I will select top plane. What will the rule? On right side, we will keep H. On top side, we will keep V. Means if once I click on OK, it will be something like this. Yes?
Yeah.
Press OK. See this. Again, rectangle. Something like this. Exit workbench. And click on ISO view. Isometric view. Now it is in top plane. Got it?
Sir, can't we
Yes, sir.
change plane selection of the sketch?
Okay. Once you draw
Yes.
sketch, you want to change the sketch plane. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Right click on the sketch. Last option, change sketch support. Click on it. Again, same command. See, click over here and change the plane. Now, on which plane you want to draw the sketch? Tell me.
Now YZ.
YZ means this one.
Yes, sir.
Click this. Done.
Okay, sir.
Press OK. How to undo? Control Z. Undo. Control Z. Yes? Any doubt? Done?
No, sir. Done, sir.
Again, we will draw at least three sketch. Okay. Now I want to draw triangle. I want to draw sketch on Y plane. Tell me the steps quickly. Don't waste your time. Quickly.
Yeah. Set the position sketch.
Position sketch.
Select a plane, Y plane.
Y plane means this one.
Yeah.
What is the rule? What is the golden rule?
Yeah.
Reverse
Golden
H and
Sorry.
H in horizontal.
On right
reverse
side.
H and reverse P.
Reverse.
H in x-axis, Y in.
Yeah. V should be in top side. H should be in right side. Now see. We have selected Y plane. So once I click on OK, it will be something like this. Now tell me, is it okay or it is not okay? See, in top side it
Not
is
okay.
H, left side is V. Is it okay?
No, sir.
No.
So what should I select over here? Reverse V,
Swap.
reverse H. Okay, swap. Okay, then next,
Reverse H.
reverse H. Done? Shall I press OK?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
awesome. Simple? Yes? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Simple.
next, on this plane, I want to draw a triangle. So I will use this one, profile. Yeah, select this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I am done with the sketching. How to exit?
Top right, second option. What exit workbench?
Top right, exit workbench, second option.
Yeah.
Okay, click on ISO. Done. Again, third sketch. Tell me the steps.
Position model. Position sketcher.
Position sketch.
Explain.
Explain.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
orientation is okay.
The orientation is
VNH.
okay. Then we go for okay.
Okay. Then here I want to draw a circle. So third command, circle. Don't click on
Circle.
this black arrow. Okay. Once you click on black arrow, you will get this command. So these are the simple commands. Again, same for circle. These are so
Yeah.
simple commands. Okay. So for now, just use a simple circle. Click center and circle. Done with the sketching. Exit workbench, top second. Here you will find exit workbench. Done. Simple. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall we proceed? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I want to hide these all sketches. 1, 2, 3 means 2, 3, 4 sketch. How can I hide it?
Sir, the sketch 2 and
Uh,
right click on it. Right
Empty
click.
space.
you can right click and you can select hide show. Otherwise, you can just select the sketch and space bar.
Space. Okay.
Select space bar. Okay. Okay. So for these 3 sketches, which command we have used? Yes.
Yeah.
Hide command.
No. For these 3 sketches, we have used position sketch. Yes or no?
Position
Positions.
sketching.
Yeah. Now we will use the simple sketch. Okay. Now you will get the answer why we are using position sketch. Now I want to draw plane sketch on this top plane. Sketch top plane. What happened?
It directly take the orientation and
What happened?
Is parallel to the
orientation is automatically taken, sir.
Yeah. So can you control the orientation of your sketch as per your requirement? Yes.
Yes.
Who asked me, sir, can I replace the plane? Who asked me? Who asked this question, sir? How to replace the plane,
Sir.
sketch plane?
Indrashan Gupta.
Sorry?
I am Indrashan Gupta, sir. I asked the question.
Ha. Okay. So see, we are using simple sketch. I'm selecting this plane. See, it is not asking, sir, in which direction you want the orientation. Is it okay or no? Can you swap this? Can you swap? Can you reverse V and H?
No, sir. Here it is directly taking to the view.
So got it? What is the benefit of position sketch and simple sketch?
Yes, yes, sir.
What is the difference? Why we are using position sketch?
Yes, sir. We
So
can set the orientation according to our
yeah,
requirement.
okay. So you can ask this question to any guy who are doing the training from another institutes. Okay, simple question. First command, sketching only. You can try it. Okay, done with the sketching, position sketch. Any doubt? Sir, what is position sketch and all?
No, sir.
Shall we proceed to next command?
So please give the definition for both.
Sorry, please what?
Definition for both.
Can you speak a little bit loud?
Definition for both.
Definition. Who can
Yes.
tell? Who can tell the definition? Please try. What is the difference between sketch plane, simple sketching, and position sketching? Yes, quickly. In position sketch, yes.
In position sketch, we can use the views from according to our requirement,
Hmm.
and in regular sketching, it will directly set the views.
Yeah. In position sketch, you can set your plane, you can set your V and H, and also you can set the origin. You can take any orientation as per your requirement. Okay. You can set the orientation, but in simple sketch, you will not get that options. Got it? Simple.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. We are going to start sketching workbench now. Okay. So we had done square or rectangle. This is triangle. This is circle. Again, hide, hide, hide. Okay. Position sketch. Top plane. Tell me what should be the orientation? V reverse, H reverse. Okay. Yeah. So these are some simple tools. First one is usual, second one is low light, third one is only sketch, means no 3D background. So what is the use of these three tools? Click it, shift button to make it horizontal. Visual 3D means now I am in which workbench?
Sketcher.
Sketching. So axis system is a 2D element or 3D element?
2D element.
Axis system is a 3D element. Now we have 3D
Okay,
XYZ.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, sorry. It's 3D element.
Yeah, okay. So I had turned I had turned this 3D, okay. By mistake, I have what means I have rotated the 3D, but I want a normal view on normal to the plane on which I am drawing the sketch. So here is the button to make normal view. Click on it. This is normal view. Okay. If suppose your access system is somewhere over here, outside out of the screen or something over here, but I want it in center. This is a yellow box, fit all in. Click on it. It will come in center. Got it? By mistake, you have moved your 3D or the axis system or the sketch out of the screen. Click on this. See, it is in center. Now I want a normal view. Click on normal view. If you want isometric view, click on isometric view. Again, normal view. Simple. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the use of these three tools? Okay. So, first one is usual. Here you can see I can select axis system. Is it in my sketching workbench? Axis system is in it is in my sketching workbench, yes or no? Or it is in 3D?
In 3D, sir.
It is in 3D, but in sketching workbench I can select axis system. But I don't want to select this one. I just want this for my reference, just only for visual. So I will select low light. Now here you can see it is fade out. Yes. Can you see this? I'm not able to select axis system. See this, but it is visible to me. Yes. So this is the use of low light. You can see the background of your sketching plane, normal view. You can see the background, what is in behind means behind of your sketching plane with the help of low light. With the help of usual, just activate it. You can select the background. You will get this point after 2 days. Okay. What is the benefit? This is low light. In low light, you can't select anything from the surrounding or from the background. In sketching, no 3D background means only sketching, normal. You will not able to see or you will not able to take any reference of the background. Now tell me, please repeat. What will be in usual? Quickly. What will be in usual?
3D.
Sorry, quickly. Show the
The 3D
confidence.
reference line.
Yes.
3D reference line. Or some
Okay, you
axis
can
line.
take the reference of 3D, background 3D. Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I click on
Yes.
usual. Axis system is visible. Second, low light.
Low light. Low light means there is a visual of the 3D line, but
Huh?
there is no axis for it.
Yeah.
You can't select it.
Yeah. You can't select it. You can see the
But
what is
there is a
behind.
visual.
Yeah, their background is visible, but you can't take the reference. You
Hmm.
can't select it. And in sketching, no 3D background.
There's no any background except the U and H line.
Yeah, just click on no 3D background. Third option, normal. Only V and H will be visible. Okay. Now you can use all sketches. Okay. So in usual also you can use this tool. Any tool you can use. You can in low light also you can use any tool. In no 3D background also you can use all tool. Okay. No issue. You will get the benefit after 2 days. So what is the benefit of these three tools? Okay. Now the first command, profile. So what is profile? Click one, click two. Here you can see the snapping. What is snapping? Can you see the blue line? What is the meaning
Yeah,
of
it's
blue line?
a
Vertical.
vertical.
Yeah. Same
Yes, sir. And a horizontal.
horizontal. So this is snapping by default constraint. Vertical and horizontal. Once I click over here, you will get this H. What is meaning of H? What is the meaning of H?
Horizontal.
Good. Here V.
Vertical.
Yeah. Okay. It will, you can draw a continuous line, something like this. If you want to stop the command, you can press escape button from your keyboard. See, escape. Done. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
which command we use right now?
Profile.
Profile, the first one. Okay. Sir, can I draw something like this? Uh, like this. Like this. So can I draw something like this with the help of profile command? Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, profile. First click. While using second click, don't release the button of your mouse. Just click, hold the button and drag it downside or upside. Click means hold, pull it downside, something like this. You will get a, what we can say, arc. Okay. What does this blue arc defines? Does it mean? The blue circle?
The parallel to the horizontal line.
No, no. Your next point is in line with the
Okay.
previous point. Means it is making semicircle.
Okay.
Click again straight. See the dotted blue line. Click and hold the first button, means left button, and move it upward. Drag it upward. You will get again one arc. Here you can see a circle inside circle. What does it mean? Can you see?
Okay. Yeah, that's the closing point.
Closing point means your mouse or your pointer is on this point. So the symbol is concentric symbol. Yes, coincide symbol. Click. Done. Simple. You can select complete sketch in a window. Something like this. Click over here, drag your mouse and hold it in a window. And you can delete it. Delete. Simple. Profile. 1, 2. This I will draw 90-degree. Click. Again. 3, 4, 5. Again down. 6. Move it down. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to next command? Any doubt in this command? Profile. It is very useful. See in one shot, I had drawn this type of profile. Shall we move to next command? Any doubt quickly? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. And we move on
Okay.
next command.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay, next command. We will drag this. Okay. So for now, what we will do, we have 6 days. Okay. So we will not go through all sketching command. Yes. If you learn profile, if you learn square, you can learn all this thing. If you are learning circle command, you can learn all this thing. Sir, how to learn? Just hold your mouse on the command. You will get idea. Try tangent circle. What does it mean? Try tangent circle. Can you see the icon and tell me?
Yeah. Based on the lines, there is a closure. Based on the three lines.
Yeah. So based on 3 lines, you will get one circle. For example, if you are having 3 lines, something like this, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you will get one circle, something like this. Yes or no? Try
Yes,
tangent
sir.
circle. What will be the input you will need? What input you will
Line.
need? 3 lines.
Line.
First
Three
line,
lines.
second line, third line. That's it. So what we will try to do, we will try to give you basic information related part design and sketching within 6 days, so that you should able to do your projects, you should able to start your basic practice. Rest command you can explore by yourself. Yeah, we'll try to cover maximum as much as possible. Okay, so this is your right tangent circle. Next, rectangle. Just now we use rectangle. Click it, pull it. First click, second click. If you want vertical, click 1, click 2. Any doubt in this command?
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
let's do some random commands. Okay, from this predefined profiles. So oriented rectangle means click, one click, second click, third click. Here you can see the orientation. Depends on your first line. Again, click 1, 2, 3. So what is happening now? It is taking snap. What is snap? By default, catia is trying to match these corners. 1, 2. So you can stop this. How to stop it? Snap. Here you can find snap. Snap to points. Deactivate it. Okay, this one, deactivate it. This one, what is this? Elongated hole. Activate. 1, 2, 3. Again, activate the command. 1, 2, 3. See how to use your mouse. Hold the middle button, means scroll button. Click one time your right button. Move your mouse forward, means zoom in. Move your mouse rearward. Don't release the middle button. Zoom in, zoom out. Forward, reverse. Simple. Again, same command. Elongated hole, inclined. Like this. Okay. Okay then. What is this? Cylindrical elongated hole or some designer can call it as banana shape slot. Banana shape slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Activate 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple. 4 clicks. This is key slot 1. Activate 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it is taking snaps. Why it is taking snap? I think because of this. Suppose you don't want to snap any point, what you can do, you can hold the shift button. See, here you can see by default CATIA is taking the snap. So I will hold the shift button. Now see, it is not taking any snap of any point. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, key slot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Same
No, sir.
same hexagon. See, it's completely same as what you can say simple paint toolbar. See this hexagon. Activate the command. One click, second click. If you want this, what we can say hexagon vertical, how to do it? Right click on this one. Last option vertical. Sorry, it is not in constant. So activate these three tools. 1, 2, and this bottom 3. So it will take by default constant. 1, 2. Yes, I will delete this parallel constraint. By default, it has taken parallel constraint. Now I will right click on this line. Last option, make it vertical. See this, it is vertical. The line is vertical, the hexagon is not vertical perfectly. Why? Because we are not defined the angle. Okay. The last second option, centered rectangle. What is centered rectangle? Can anyone tell me what is centered rectangle?
The center rectangle is based on the center point. It will take the length and breadth.
Yeah. Activate the command. Center, first click will be the center. If you don't want to snap any other points, hold the shift button. Then you can drop anywhere. Done. It is from the center. Okay, we are done this tool. I know we are going little bit fast, but I think this is very simple. You can use it. You can try this. At least you should do practice for 1 hour. You will understand how to use these simple commands. Draw random sketches, okay? Same for the circle. First circle, center, and radius. Okay, I want to exit my workbench. How to exit workbench? I'm done with the sketching.
Top right, second option, exit workbench.
Top right, second option, exit workbench. See this. I had drawn sketches in top plane, this plane, Z plane. For now, I will hide this sketch, hide sketch 7. Okay, again, I will take position sketch. I will take this for my sketching. Reverse. Tell me what should be the orientation?
First is swap,
Swap. Okay. Then
reverse H. H reverse.
reverse H. Awesome. Press OK. Everyone clear how to set VNH? Yes, no? Krishna ji, others,
Yes, sir.
Prasad,
Sir, I
Ajay.
don't know, sir, I don't know the how to HN and V, sir.
Okay, you're not getting how
How?
to set VNH. Okay,
Okay,
exit workbench. See, what is our golden rule?
The horizontal line will be the H and the upward line will be the Y, vertical.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, so what is our golden rule for VNH? Please repeat.
For the H, it will be the right hand side, and
Yeah,
the V at the top of the H.
yeah. So, okay, what is your name? I think Nitesh? Nitin?
yes, sir, Nitin, sir.
Nitin. Okay. So see, I want to draw a, a sketch on YZ plane. Okay. So you're getting Z and Y by default. So how will be the orientation by default? By default, it will be something like this. Once you start practicing, you will get this idea. You will learn this one that if you're selecting this plane, you will get this as H. You will get this as V. Okay. See, I will select position sketch. Press escape. If you have selected anything, just press escape. Then again use the command. Position sketch, select the plane. Can you see this by default? Left, right side. Why it is on right side? Why I'm saying it is in right side? Because once I click on OK, it will be something like this. Yes, Nitin.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm pressing OK. It will be something like this. Exit workbench. Okay. Click on ISO view. Again, position sketch. Suppose I select this one, this plane. So where will be the V and H? It will be something like this. V on X, H on Z. But once I click on OK, I want my plane something like this. Yes, Nitin?
Yes, sir.
If I want my plane in this orientation, where should be V and H? Now tell me. It will be something like
Sir,
this.
H should be horizontal and V should be vertically.
Yeah, but H should be horizontal, but on which direction, left or right?
Sir, our V should
Always on
be
right.
in horizontally.
V should be horizontal.
Sir, you are saying
It
the
should be in
uh,
vertical.
S would be horizontally right.
See, Nitin, cancel ISO view. Suppose I want to draw a sketch on X and Z
Dialog.
plane. Yeah, X and Z plane. What I will do? Position sketch, select the plane. But now my second requirement, first requirement is I want to draw on this plane. Second requirement is I want my orientation something like this. Yes, for this orientation, what should be the golden rule? On right side, it should be H. On top side, it should be V. Got it, Nitin? H,
yes, sir.
V. Every time we will keep H on right side. Every time we will keep V on upward side. So now tell me, Nitin, what should I do to change the orientation? Here you have some option. What should I do now?
We should use the swap command.
See, with the help of swap command, what will happen? Nitin, this is H.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
this is H.
H should be V and V should be H
Yeah,
after swapping.
yes. So H will be here, we will be here. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So finish. We will use swap. Done. Now what should be the second step, Nitin? Do we need H on left side?
No, sir.
Nitin?
No, sir.
Then?
No, no, sir.
Then?
We should be
H, H.
reverse.
H should be on right side. So we will click on reverse H. See? Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Press OK. Simple. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So we will use circle. Activate the command center circle. Again, activate the command center circle. Simple. What is the second command? Sir, what is the second one? 3-point circle means I will give 3 point. 1, 2, 3. My circle will pass through 3 point, something like this. Got it? Suppose I have one rectangle. I will use profile. See, we are done with the profile command. Okay. I will use profile to draw a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I use 3-point circle now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What should be the selection?
Three lines. Three.
3 points. These 3 corners, vertices. Yes. Circle. 3-point arc. First point, second point, and my third point. Simple.
Hmm.
Suppose I want a circle passing through center of this circle. Can you see a center, small center of this circle? The dot. 1, 2, and this point. Origin. This is my origin. Can I draw one circle passing through this 3 point? Yes, no?
Yes.
3-point arc. First point, second point,
Third one.
third point. Simple. Any doubt?
So if I
No,
want
sir.
circle inside the triangle, what?
Sorry.
Circle inside the triangle.
Okay. Who can tell me how to draw a circle inside the triangle? Just now we
Tangent,
discussed.
tangent. Three,
Try.
three,
There's a
three side
three
tangent.
tangent thing.
Awesome. Try tangent circle. Select
Hmm.
this one. First line, second line, third
Second line,
line. Done.
third line.
Can you see this icon? What we can say, the green two lines, two green
Tangent
lines.
is this.
This is a concept called
Tangent.
tangent. It,
Is parallel,
Tangent.
yeah. No, no, not parallel.
parallel, parallel.
No, 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 no.
It's a
It is
tangent is
tangent.
this.
It is tangent. Okay, not parallel.
Mm-hmm.
See, parallel will be something like this.
Sir,
One line.
sir, can I use three? Hello,
See, this is parallel. Can you see this? Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
What is your question?
sir, can I use 3-point circle to draw the circle inside the triangle?
Mm, see, I'm taking profile command. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to draw a triangle inside. You want to draw a circle inside the triangle with the help of 3 point. Yes.
Yes.
So what input you will need?
Like
Points.
You will need 3 points.
point.
3 points.
3 points. Yeah, at
Yes.
least 3 point. So is there any
Yes.
point? Can you select any point on this line?
No.
No. So for this, you can use tritangent circle. You have separate tool for
Okay.
that. Activate this one,
Okay.
2, 3. Simple.
Okay.
Katia will do the calculation. What should be the radius? Where should be the intersection with the line? Katia will do it for you.
Okay.
Simple.
Okay.
Don't use third command. Don't waste your time on third command. Okay. Okay. Next. Suppose I want one arc. I don't want any circle. I want one arc passing through 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. Which command should I use? This one.
Arc command.
Yeah, 3-point arc. Simple. Same like 3-point circle, 3-point arc. What should be the selection? Point 1, point 2, point 3. Simple. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Again, 3-point arc. Suppose I want an arc passing through this end, first point, second end, second point, and this corner of triangle. 3-point arc. 1, 2, 3. Your first point will be the starting point, your second point will be the end point of your arc. Middle point will define your radius, arc radius. Simple. Okay. Yes, no, shall we proceed?
Yes, sir. Will proceed.
Okay, I will exit workbench just to show you, just for the practice, how to select the plane. Click on ISO view. I will hide this plane, select sketch, spacebar. Now I will draw. I want to draw plane, sorry, undo. I want to draw sketch on this plane, with X plane. Position sketch, select the plane. Once I click on OK, it should be something like this. Now Nitin, tell me the orientation is okay or not okay? Nitin,
Yes,
are you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Orientation.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Orientation is okay, sir.
So I will press on OK. I don't want to select this axis system. I just want it for my reference. It should be visible. What should I do?
Yeah, there's no 3D mode.
Sorry.
Can you repeat the question, please?
This is the command low light.
Yeah.
So axis system is visible, but I can't select. Okay. Okay. Again, I will use profile. I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close. Now I want to draw a circle. I want a circle. Here you can see parallel. This is a constraint for parallel. And this is for tangent. Got it? The difference? This line and this line is in parallel with each other. This arc and line tangent with each other. Got it? Yes, no? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So, next command. 3-point arc starting with limit. The title is long, but command is very simple. Suppose this is my first point, this is my second point, okay, and I want to adjust my circle which should be passed through this point. So this will be my third selection. Okay.
Hmm.
Again,
Yes, sir.
first selection, second point selection, and this will be my third point selection. See, activate first point, second point, and the third point. Simple. Yes. And the last command, point, second point, and arc, third point. Finish. Activate the command, first click, second click, third click. Just rotate your mouse and third click. Simple. Yes,
Sir,
no?
Yes, sir.
I, yes, sir.
Yes. Any question? Any doubt?
Sir, I got a problem with profile.
Sorry, please repeat.
Sir, I got problem with profile, sir. Profile line
Profile,
comment.
profile.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the problem?
While profile comment is a continuous line, sir,
Huh?
but while drawing it, breaking, sir.
While drawing, it is breaking. Are you using profile command or are you using line command? This is a line,
Sir,
this is a
profile
profile.
comment.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
activate the
profile
profile
comment.
command. Activate the profile command. Click 1, click 2, click 3, click 4, click 5, click 6.
Sir, I doing the same like you, sir, but not.
Sir, sir, he's doing the single click. If we double click on the profile, it will be the continuous.
Yeah, yeah. See, if you want to use the circle continuously, what you can do, you can double click on the circle.
We
Double
have to
click.
double click on it.
Double click on the tool. Click circle. Click circle. Click circle. Click circle.
Sir, yes, sir.
If you want to close
But
the command,
I,
press escape two time. Yes.
I do the, I also do that, sir, but not getting.
Okay. Press escape
Is
button.
there
Press
any?
the press escape button two
Yes,
times.
sir. Press.
Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Activate profile command. Only one click.
Yes, sir.
Activate it.
Active, sir.
First click. Done.
Done, sir.
Second click. Done.
Done, sir. Sir,
Third.
first click, first line deleted, sir.
First line done.
सर कोई
First line
लाइन डिलीट
deleted,
करनी है तो
sir.
कैसे करेंगे?
Sorry.
After
लाइन
after
डिलीट
clicking
करने के लिए
second click,
Sorry.
sir, can
सर
I
लाइन
share the
डिलीट
video in?
Just one person can speak. Just a minute. Yes.
लाइन डिलीट करनी है सर तो कैसे करेंगे?
If you want to delete line, press C. Now command is activated. Double click on escape to close the command. Select the line. Press delete button.
ओके ओके.
If you want to delete the circle, select the circle, delete. Okay.
और सर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लाइन को ऐड करना हो सारे को, मतलब जैसे हम अलग अलग लाइन को सिलेक्ट करना है एक बार में सारा सेलेक्ट हो जाए, वो कैसे करते हैं?
Okay. So if you want to
Sir,
select
can
one,
I?
2, 3, 4.
Sir, can I share the video to you, sir? My problem, sir.
Sorry.
Can I share a video to you? My,
You can share
while
after
using
session.
profile.
Okay. After session, you can share. Yeah. We'll solve the doubt.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to select one, 2, 3, 4, how you can select? Hold the control button. First line, second line, third line, fourth line. Done. Yes.
ओके. यस.
Se- Second shortcut is select the first line.
सर ऐसा नहीं, जैसे हम एक लाइन पे सेलेक्ट करते हैं, जैसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लाइन को हमने बनाया, उसके बाद डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्लिक करेंगे जब लाइन सेलेक्ट होंगी हमको.
So he is talking about connecting lines. When
Okay.
you
Hmm. Means you want to select all connecting lines in one shot.
जी.
Select one line. Right click. Last option, auto search. Okay.
ओके.
But in this auto search, you can't select the circle. Why?
बिकॉज क्योंकि ये तो एक ही सर्किल है, पर सर्कमफ्रेंस है.
Yeah, but the circle is not intersecting with this arc or these
जी.
profiles. That's why. See, what is the requirement? Your sketch should be close sketch if you want to use auto search. See, here you have one, two, these two lines, again one arc. Let's check which CATIA will select. Select first line, right click, last option, auto search. See, CATIA stop over here only. It is not selecting these two. If I delete this arc, select the arc, delete. Again, line, right click, last option, auto search. Got it?
Okay.
You can delete it. Simple. Control Z for undo. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Done?
Yes,
So
sir, done.
we are completed with this tool also. Now tell me,
Sir,
Kati, is simple or not? Is it simple?
simple.
Yes, sir.
Sir, my problem solved, sir.
Sorry,
My problem got solved.
get solved. The profile problem?
Yes,
How?
yes, sir.
I think you have activated this tool.
Yes, yes,
I think you have activated this one.
yes, sir. No, I yes, sir, yes, sir. I hide the both X, H and V, sir.
Okay.
Then I close the total category and then I opened it, sir.
Okay, okay. I think by mistake
Okay.
you have selected some tool.
Yes,
Yep.
sir. Yes.
Okay, no issue. So done. So today we have finished profile, the rectangle and circle.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any
Sir,
issue in this command? Yes. Yes.
Katia's interface look like a complex, not like a ugnx.
Yeah. But once you start using CATIA, you will see you will never use ugnx. Why? Because in CATIA you can maintain the history, you can maintain the sequence very easily.
Yes.
Yeah, you can define locally, you can update locally. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
so what is the shortcut for repeated command? I want to use circle thrice. Then
Circle tries
there is
double
any
double
Double
click
click.
on the
yes.
circle. Double click on
Okay.
circle. Click circle. You can use many times. See, click
Okay.
circle. If you want to close the command, double press the escape button of keyboard.
Okay.
Simple.
Yes, sir.
Shall we stop over here?
सर
Yes.
सर रिकॉर्डिंग ऑडियो मिलेगा ना इसका
Yes. Definitely. Within half hour, you
सर
will
वेन
get the within half hour
ओके सर
till 9.
ओके
Sir, with which software we get more opportunities?
Sorry.
CATIA, NX or SolidWorks?
Initially, we will focus on CATIA only. See, the tool is same. Okay. You are
ओके
getting blue screen on CATIA. You are getting white screen on ugnx. If I exit workbench, here you will find pad command. But in ugnx, you will find extrude command. The functioning is same. The operation is same. Yes.
ओके बट प्रोसेस अलग होगा ना सर उसका
Little bit. 10-20%. We will cover that.
और
No issue.
ए प्लेन सिलेक्शन करना ए हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल उसका भी ऐसा ही है क्या
Nearly same. है.
ओके
Yes. Now got it. Who asked the question, sir? What is the difference between simple sketch and position sketch? Got it? Got the answer? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you learn today? Which topic you learn? Any points from Katia? The shortcut? How to set up the
सर
shortcuts?
Simple
कैटिया का
shortcuts,
यूज कहाँ करते हैं
simple
सर?
sketch, positioning sketch.
Yes. Position sketch, simple sketch. how to set up the shortcut, what is the difference between position sketch, simple sketch. We have learned some commands, profile, rectangle, circle.
Profile, rectangle, circle,
Also, we
command.
learn how to find out the shortcut, the underline. Yes, the dash below the alphabets in top side.
The difference between the CATIA and SolidWorks and AutoCAD.
No one will ask you this question, what is the difference between CATIA and SolidWorks, okay? See, on yesterday what we discussed, because of surfacing and most of the OEMs are using CATIA, we are focusing on CATIA, okay? There is no issue to start from Creo and AutoCAD. Now tell me, you are using this sketching workbench. Do you need to learn AutoCAD? Do you want to waste your time in AutoCAD? 10-15 days?
No, sir.
No, no use of AutoCAD if you want to work in 3D. We have good software like CATIA and ugnx. Okay, any doubts?
Okay.
No, sir.
No? Shall we stop? Can we
Yes,
connect
sir.
tomorrow
Yes,
on
sir.
same time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes,
Okay
sir.
then. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.